It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I've done this analysis quite a few times. I can't remember the last time, late last week, I believe. But regardless, want to get things updated as the chart is at a very important technical level. Before I go any further, though, I'm going to move the chart over here. This nasty red candle here is kind of throwing off the proportions of things. So it makes things a little bit harder from a presentation standpoint. And from a viewer's perspective, if we just do that, there we go, makes things easier to see. So price, like I said, is at a key technical area. And that key technical area is all about the purple line there, which is the famous 50-day simple moving average. You can see last time it was down around that area, got a nice candle there, and a very nice bounce followed. And not quite the same candle at all, but point being, it is now down around that purple line again. Am I sitting here saying that, therefore, since it, bounced last time, that it's guaranteed to bounce this time? Not saying that. Now, would I be shocked to see some sort of bounce? No, that would not be shocking, but there's no such thing as a guarantee in the market, so I'm not sitting here saying that it is guaranteed to bounce up there. But from the quote-unquote storybook perspective, very, very important level, because with any sort of break below that level, that would be something that hasn't happened for a few weeks. I mean, every time the price has been down around that area, as I've shown, it's been doing a good job of holding strong. So that brings up, all right, well, we get the point, Clay. That purple line, definitely an important area of support. But what happens if the price cannot hold above it? Where are some of these next areas of support? And in my mind, the next level is right here around $2.55. Now, I'm kind of just trying to split the difference here. The price didn't quite go down that low. Here on a couple of instances, the price went below it, but right there, the price directly hit it. So like I said, splitting the difference. If you want to call it 257 or 252, whatever floats your boat. But right around, again, 255 region is definitely a key level of support. Because if the price were to come down here and then break below there and then start to separate to the downside, at that point in time, that's literally the price going, right back to within these ranges of the chart. And assuming you're bullish, you don't want to see the price going back to ranges. You want to see the price making progress forward. Whereas in the event the price were to come down here, bounce around, and then head back up, even at that point in time, again, in the spirit of progress, you'd still have a set of lows right here. Previous set of lows would be down there, and if you picture each of those as stair steps, well, the stair steps are still making progress forward. So, I don't want to make it sound like that purple line is do or die, but in the event the price cannot hold above it, then definitely that 255 range certainly becomes a very important level of support. As far as resistance levels, nothing new here has changed. Still have the red line up there, which continues to knock down the price, currently valued at $2.85. So crazy overall day in the market. We'll have to see how this all unfolds tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.